Hello there, I'm Luke from the Clever Car Collection, and today we are not at the zoo, but we do have a Fiat Panda. Now this Fiat Panda is the four-wheel drive version, and whilst it doesn't have heated seats, a heated steering wheel, or many fancy doohickeys, it does have character. Now, I love these cars, and in today's video, I'm going to show you all around it, so you know what to expect when coming here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection. Let's take a look. Now this Fiat Panda has the very economical 1.2 litre diesel engine with a manual gearbox, and with that you get a fuel economy of around 60 miles to the gallon. It has 75 brake horsepower, it's an insurance group 7E, and the tax is £170 for the year. Now this car has covered just over 85,000 miles and it was first registered in April 2013. So just taking a walk around the car, I'll just show you any blemishes that I find. Starting off on the front bumper down here, we have got some sort of patch-up marks just there. I mean, it's not very obvious, but they are there. On the bonnet, we've got some small stone chips there, but it is a very shiny bonnet. On the windscreen, we've got a chip just there. Now let's take a look down the driver's side. From a distance, all looking good. Get a little closer, all looking good there. This front wheel is immaculate. Down this driver's side, we have got some fading there on the front driver's handle. Got a little mark just there, small mark just there, and a bit of a dent there. Now on this rear wheel, all looking good there. Take a little look around the back here. We have got some luggage marks along the boot here, this boot lip, as you can see. Again, not horrendous, but they are there. The boot itself is all looking good. Now onto the passenger side, I'll just show you this rear wheel. Again, immaculate that wheel. They've been very well looked after. Now on the handle here, we have got some fading again, just on that rear handle. This front driver's one's looking good. As for the rest of this side here, as you can see, very shiny, no damage to report. The windows all looking good there. Now on this front corner here, we just got a couple of stone chip marks just there. But that wheel is also looking good. Right, as you can see, there isn't a lot to report damage-wise on this car. It's been very well looked after for its age. Now let's take a look inside. So starting off in the boot, you do get quite a lot of space. For such a small car, it's quite impressive. You'll definitely get a pushchair and a few bags of shopping in here. Now lifting up this, you do have a puncture repair kit just there, which is the pump with the gel infused with it. Now taking a look at the back here, now these two back windows have the old-fashioned roll-up wheels. The seats themselves in the back are in very good condition, really good. I'm quite impressed. Doesn't look like they've really been used. Now you've also got a cup holder there for your rear passengers. Now just taking a look at the dash here, I mean the dash has been very well looked after. Well, the whole car's been very well looked after really, but there isn't really any marks on the inside here to note. The door, again, all looking good there. There's your mirror controls, which are electric just there. Keyholes just there. Now on your steering wheel here, you've got some steering mounted controls for your CD player, radio, media player there. Your wipers are on the right, indicators and lights are on the left. Now there's all your climate controls, and thankfully this car does have air conditioning, which is very handy for a really hot day like today. Your electric windows are just there in the middle here. There's your gear stick. Down here you've got AUX and a 12-volt socket along with a cup holder. And there's your handbrake. Right, as you can see, I've got the car running, engine's on, as you can see by the rev counter there. And everything's all good. There's no warning lights on the dash, and the odometer reads at just under 85,000 miles. This car will come with a service, MOT, and a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, which you can upgrade to a 12-month one if you wish. Now this car has had previous services in 2015, 16, 17, 19, 21, 23, and again it'll be serviced by us ahead of delivery. Now if you like this car, you can secure it with a £100 reservation fee, which is deductible from the total bill should you purchase it. We do also offer finance and delivery. But I think that's it for this video. If you get a chance, please check out our reviews on Google and Auto Trader. We are very proud of them, but thank you for watching.